In this video, I will be showing you how to check for updates and update your iPad to the latest version. So let's get started. First thing, just go to settings, and in settings you need to click on general. In general, we will be having the software update. Click that, and if you are having any pending updates, it will automatically show here. In my case, I am having here an update. You can either choose to update now or update later. So if you are planning to update now, just select this. It's asking to enter the passcode. Just do that. It will show you the amount of time that it requires, so just be patient. After that, your iPad will restart, so make sure that you're having your work saved. If I go to the settings now and go to same general and go to software update, this time, as you can see, my iPad is up to date. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.